Step 1. Remove the toolhead front cover assembly. Open the printhead front cover. Press the connector latch and gently pull it perpendicular to the connector to unplug the cable. Then, remove the front cover. Step 2. Remove the right hot end silicone sock and the hot end. Grip both sides of the silicone sock firmly with your fingers, then pull down and toward the front of the machine to slide it off. Once the sock is removed, flip the hot end locking tab to the unlocked position and carefully extract the right hot end from the assembly. Once the hot end is removed, proceed to close the locking tab. Step 3. Remove the left hot end silicone sock and the hot end. First, push the flow blocker lever to the right to move the flow blocker over to the right-hand position. Next, grip both sides of the silicone sock firmly with your fingers, then pull down and toward the front of the machine to slide it off. Finally, unlock the hot end locking tab and carefully remove the left hot end from the tool head. Once the hot end is removed, proceed to close the locking tab. Install the hot end and hot end silicone sock. Step 1. Install the right hot end and hot end silicone sock. With the locking tab fully open, seat the hot end onto the heating assembly. Check that it is flush, then secure the locking tab. Gently wiggle the nozzle tip with your fingers to ensure it is not loose and is secured properly. Step 2. Install the left hot end and hot end silicone sock. Now, push the flow blocker to the right, then insert the left hot end into the assembly path. Ensure it is firmly seated and flush against the housing before proceeding. To secure the hot end, close the locking tab. Make sure the narrow section of the tab passes through the gap exactly as shown. Next, slide the silicone sock back onto the hot end. Once that side is done, use the flow blocker lever to move the blocker to the left. This gives you the access needed to place the silicone sock onto the right hot end. Step 3. Install the toolhead front cover assembly. Take the connector extending from the extruder connection board and plug it into the port located on the toolhead front cover. Organize the cables neatly within the housing, then close the cover, adjust until the magnets snap into place.